Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a C3 Corvette hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the kick panel, or under the dash. Give it a firm pull to release the primary latch. You should hear a click. Now, move to the front of your Corvette to find the secondary safety latch. Once at the front, look under the center of the hood's leading edge. You'll find a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. Gently push this lever to the side, usually to the left or right, or sometimes upward, to fully release the hood. This step ensures the hood is completely free to open. With both latches released, you can now safely lift the hood. Stand directly in front of the car and grasp the hood firmly, usually near the center. Lift it upward and slightly forward. The C3 Corvette hood pivots from the front, so be mindful of its movement. Lift it until it's fully open and stable. The C3 Corvette hood is designed to stay open on its own once fully raised. There's no prop rod needed. Just ensure it's stable and not wobbling before you begin any work. Double-check that it's fully extended and resting securely. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental closure while you're under the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.